In this lesson, you will learn how to tell time to the 1 hour. So I'm going to count by 1 hours. If you will count with me, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So to tell time to the nearest hour, we have to pay attention to our hour hand, which I know is the shorter hand on a clock. And if it's on the hour, like at 1 o'clock, that means our minute hand is always pointing straight up to the 12. So this clock is showing 1 o'clock because my hour hand is pointing to the 1 and my minute hand is straight up to the 12. So this is what 1 o'clock looks like. So now let's do 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock, remember my minute hand is all the way up to the top, but my hour hand is now pointing to the 2. So this clock says 2 o'clock, which looks like this. Okay, so let's look at what 3 o'clock would be. So think about where would that minute hand be for 3 o'clock? And hopefully you said that it would be straight up and down at the 12. And now our hour hands is pointing to the 3. So this shows 3 o'clock. All right, I'm going to show you a new time on the clock. And I want you to think, what time does this clock say? So I see the minute hand pointing straight up and down, so now I have to think, well, where's my hour hands? So hopefully you said that this clock is showing 5 o'clock. Let's try another one. Okay, see if you can figure out what time this clock is saying. Hopefully you said that it is showing 8 o'clock because the minute hand is straight up and down and my hour or my shorter hand is at the 8. So this shows 8 o'clock. All right, we'll try one more. We'll make this one a tricky one. All right, what time does this clock say? Did you say 12 o'clock because my minute hand is there? And look, my hour hand is there too. It's just hidden. So this says 12 o'clock.